Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beer-battered fries. First, select starchy potatoes like russets for that ideal fluffy interior. Cut them into uniform strips, aiming for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thickness. This ensures even cooking. Then, soak your cut potatoes in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step removes excess starch, which helps achieve that perfect crispy exterior we all love. Drain and pat them completely dry before moving on. Next, let's create our signature crispy batter. In a bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for flavor. Gradually whisk in 12 ounces of your favorite cold beer. The carbonation helps create a light, airy texture. Mix until the batter is smooth, but be careful not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much. Now it's time to fry. Heat several inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip your dried potato strips into the prepared beer batter, making sure each piece is fully coated. Gently place the battered fries into the hot oil, working in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature, leading to soggy fries. Once your fries are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil. Place them on a wire rack set over paper towels to drain any excess oil. This helps maintain their crispiness. Immediately season them generously with salt, and feel free to add other spices like paprika or garlic powder if you wish. Serve these delicious beer-battered fries hot with your favorite dipping sauces, such as ketchup, aioli, or a spicy mayonnaise. Enjoy your homemade crispy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.